guys, good afternoon rather, from day 2 in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. We slept in, and how last night you saw was extremely fun, and we literally just wanted to sleep in, relax, skipped on breakfast, just chilled. Honestly, had a very slow morning. Now it's around like lunchtime. So we are just gonna go to Oasis Cafe. It is one of the extremely famous Instagram cafes that we have looked up and wanted to go since a while. So we're just gonna go there. After that, I want to see the Meta show, and that's what we have planned. Everything after that we'll wing it and see. Tonight is our second night here, and the second night we can have fun because tomorrow we'll have to sleep in early because we have a flight for another place. So that's about it. I'm gonna quickly get ready because we are very hungry. We're not running late. There is no time limit on this city particularly. We've not planned anything that requires us to leave early, but just hunger is kicking in. So let's go do that.
This is my outfit. The outfit is from Denovo. Do check it out for your vacation fit. We reached Oasis Cafes, and it's a cafe that you should definitely take a reservation. It's one of the it cafes, and the whole concept of the cafe is it's literally right in the middle of Koi Fit. Overall, the vibe 10 on 10, food 10 on 10, not like the other cafe. Call for the Thai hot pot, the 3-layer coffee. I forgot what pasta. Some mushroom spaghetti and the peach iced tea. We have come to Thiso Mall to watch the Meta show, and it was really far actually, this mall, but it better be worth it. This is how the mall looks. Your regular normal mall. There are so many photo booths here. People take photo booths here very seriously. There's like a full makeup station, comb. You can literally curl your hair. There are accessories that you can wear.
You can choose this one.
Yes.
Between the picture, you will have 10 seconds to change the bowl.
Okay.
One ho gaya. This is so stressful.
We take our photo booths quite seriously. As you saw, we're very stressed so that it comes out really nice. I've reached the Meta show. This is what the outside looks like, and we'll just go in. I had pre-booked my ticket from India from Cloak. So this entire exhibit was basically about Van Gogh's life, his entire journey, every painting, what is its significance, and each room had a whole different vibe altogether. So to start it off, the entry was his entire history and journey, and then we had this, and also I was doing this all alone, so it was a whole different experience altogether, and each room genuinely kept getting better and better. I'm exploring this all alone, and
Wow, I couldn't have done something better all alone, honestly. This is beautiful. If I'm into art, I'm gonna love it. The only thing is there's no one to take my photos.
this is literally me if I was a room. Like, I would be this blinged out all the time. Wow. Just wow. As I said, I got this ticket from Cloak, and it varies from 600 to 1500 as per whatever you want and need.
Officially entered a maze.
I don't know how to get out, which is not the best because I need to get out. Third Pop Mart, this is where the Labubus have been created. My sister was like, don't touch any because you get like jinxed and all bad karma comes to you, like all it's just bad first, and somehow touching any Labubu. But it touch one. So you have mini Labubus also. How cute! Just so gigantic. Like, this is the normal size and this is the big one. Okay, after the Meta show and Labubu hunting, we went to this cafe that is called Chai to Chill. Decision, we traveled so far for it to be a really bad experience. Wrong place to shop. It is set to have like really cool stuff. Let's see. We are walking towards our hotel. The shopping is great, but like it's nothing that you must have not seen ever or things like that. We're at a very great locality now. We're just walking towards our hotel, and like, look at this. Last 2 years ago we'd also eaten this and we've come back to have this. This lady has changed her spot though. Best street food of Vietnam.
He's sitting on a stool, very Vietnamese, and having their pizza, like a road style pizza.
Then we headed to Saigon Square to pick up all souvenirs and gifts for everyone. Today is all about nostalgia because this is the second time in Vietnam we're here to have sushi at Cheoda Sushi.
This is the second time we're here to have sushi at Cheoda Sushi. Really like it. Also, it is so decently priced for Bombay rates because it's a very fancy place and the sushi is like 300 for the vegetarian. Nothing. This is nothing.
And of course I had the prawn tempura and loved it all. If you're someone who loves sushi, you have to come here. My sister picked up an egg coffee from this place.
I can't taste the egg. It is so bitter. There's literally nothing. The man has left the massage parlor for us. Like he's just left it on us because he's coming though. पर हमसे लोग करवाने लगे मसाज तो.
The best part is how every trip we end up doing a massage at night.
Yeah, it is needed, man. It's you do like 10k steps, 20k steps a day, and you're like overworked.
5k, not more.
Yeah, we didn't work. We went like a lot. Grab, yeah. But the case is, post 25 taking a trip, मैं गलत सोई हूँ और मेरे गर्दन में लचक आ गई है, and I've never felt this old. Like, yeah, what is this lachak that I have to deal with? Ending up with a massage though.
Most important pit stop of the night.
Aging tonight, but we will take this beer and chill in our jacuzzi.
Taking some masks also. Brightening and soothing and balancing with beer. This is literally what Hoko is selling. I think this is where they got the concept. There's a pineapple version. We need this in Bombay. Just a kiosk of... No, this is not even like a... Yeah, he's just making and selling cocktails on the road. Literally on the road. Wow.
We have just sat on the road, settled in. But yeah, this is a culture. Like, see, there are people sitting right there. Having my cocktail.
People are there also, just sitting, chilling.
We had full skincare, night care, everything on, and our AC stopped working. So he's just told us to fuck off to another room and leave all our upgrade and leave all our belongings here. Like literally just boria bistar and just go to the other room. This is our condition.
Oh, for room cleaning, they'll clean or what?
Room tour. Room upgrade tour. Woo-hoo. Oh wow. But I have the same bathtub. But mine has a plant. Good morning from day 3 in Vietnam. Ho Chi Minh City, Saigon City Center. Wow. We shifted the room. That room was really good. So I hope she lets us keep both because packing all our shit and then moving it on top and then unpacking and then packing again because we have to leave tomorrow early in the morning is pretty pointless. कल honestly इतना कुछ ज़्यादा किया नहीं compared to the first day. First day तो आते ही no sleep, no shower, no nothing. We have done so much, like so much. But today, रात को nightlife can't do because tomorrow we have to wake up very early to leave. Secondly, actually we can do a little. I really want to, so we might. Secondly, yesterday though, we just had to go to cafes, like these really go-to spots, and like the Meta show was very nice. All of this is kind of far from where we're staying, like the main area. So today we're just going to explore the main area where we're staying. We have to buy coffee for everyone. We have to just like get souvenirs and those knickknacks, that because here is where you'll mainly buy it. and Phuket of course will have other things also, but here is the main city vibes. So we have to go to Saigon Center, we have to shop some stuff. I might get an iPhone, but also I need to figure the analytics of using an iPhone made in Vietnam and if it can be an issue back at home. See the shopping. The shops, like the boutiques over here, have been very underwhelming because I come from Bombay and shopping in Bombay is crazy. Like you get everything in Bombay, and also being an influencer, a lot of the brands send me a lot of the things anyways. So my only thing is I'm running out of extreme space. Here I've not found anything that, oh, I need to have this piece of clothing. So I'm just like, I don't know, like nothing has excited me to a point where I'm just like, fuck the space, fuck the money, fuck everything. I need that piece of clothing, you know. It's just everything's very lukewarm. Everything you get back home also. A few seasons are different, that's it, but like you get everything back home. So not really that excited, but like let's check out bags and shoes and things like that. We have got an empty bag specifically just for shopping, but I haven't shopped anything. So let's see.
We are back here. We've come to make this. She's taken a photo and we're getting the keychain. हम दोनों तो लग ही नहीं रहे हैं, but blush सही डाला है उसने. Let's try it. It is so sweet. It's not tasting like coffee, but it's very nice. Highlands. This is the first time we're trying Highlands, even though we've come twice to Vietnam. But it's really good coffee. It also has like a lot of like this jelly. Honestly, the coffee with these local vendors is a lot better than any chain that you can go to. So I like this a lot more than Highlands. Honestly, Highlands could never. This coffee is so good. And वो इतनी गंदी लग रही थी उसके Aquafina bottle में. I thought zehar, straight up zehar, but yum. And also she's given us 2 straws. Do you want to have it with? Got this bag. I love that it has like this grey silver metallic detailing from Saigon Swag. For a bag, I will show you which one is it. I need this in camera. You're getting me that bag and the NBs.
And nothing else.
What do you mean nothing else? If I like something in Phuket, I'm going to get it.
That or I'll buy you the shoes. They were looking very good on you. But
You're buying me the shoes irrespective.
Irrespective. What is irrespective? It's my birthday.
So return gift.
Yeah.
The sun is setting. It is looking so pretty. We are solo riding for a bit. This is my banh. I got a chicken one. This is the first meal of the day. I wanted to shop some more and try to explore Naga shoes, which is very famous. So I took this grab ride and went by myself. Pink helmet for me. मुझे बहुत मजे आ रहे हैं. I love going on a bike like that. I am shopping solo. I am solo traveling also in a way, but it's fun. This is my test if I can travel solo or not. Maybe I'm also just shopping. That's why it's fine. But let's see. My god, they're like pet bunny rabbits. How cute! I'm sitting outside this mall just waiting for my grab bike to come. Shopping was very okay clothes ka. Like you get the same stuff in Zara, Bershka back home. So didn't really purchase anything clothes wise. But got those shoes. Very excited to show them and wear them in Bombay. The server is so sweet. He has literally given us some lemon tea and chickpea while we wait for our sushi. I've been wanting to have sushi tacos since so long, and it also has a karaoke place. I think he's also given it to us from his stash of snacks and food. That's extra sweet. I dream about this sushi taco. I literally crave it and miss it so much. This is the size of a bouquet I need, or else the man's a loser. Because wow. This is as tall as me. Place we're at, they have a lot of karaoke bars. The streak of doing random shit with my sister every night. Last night
or
in a city, new country actually, continuously had the best sushi taco. उसमें veg खत्म हो गया था, तो we have made sure that Didi also gets to try because it was so good, and we are ordering it from our restaurant, a hotel, and going to another place to eat it. Like it has a coffee vibe there. So there are a lot of places यहाँ where you can just have coffee, chill. Oh, everyone's had coffee. Yeah. Like see all the coffee places, like you can just sit there, people watch. Actually what these people do instead of clubbing, have tea, chill, smoke, vibe, Saturday night. And that was it for day 2 and 3.